Hello, my name is Christine Townsend and I am the Voluntary and Community Sector Advocate for the Children's Safeguarding Board for Bristol. And we've recently had one of our board meetings and this video is to give some feedback to the children and young people's sector for Bristol and the surrounding areas. So there's quite a big long report following on from our recent Ofsted inspection, and progress is being made on the areas that were picked up that needed improvement when Ofsted came to visit us. And there was a lot of recognition that with the need for making sure that those areas of strength that were identified are maintained, and the improvements we're going into next year's business plan. Bristol as a whole city is still working on those areas that Ofsted picked up when they came in to inspect us. We had a report around missing children. This is an area that's been improving for Bristol. There are now routine interviews that are being carried out for any children that go missing from home or care, so that's a big area of improvement for us. There was quite a big presentation and some notes around there's going to be some national joint target inspections. So this is the inspectorates for Children's Services, Health, Police and Probation. It's not yet been announced as to which areas they'll be looking at, but they could well come to Bristol. And the chances are they'll be looking at child sex exploitation, and they'll also be carrying out some deep dive inspections. So if they do come to Bristol, then the voluntary and community sector organisations are likely to be involved in that. Voice of the Child, again this comes up each time, around how agencies are listening to service users and using that to feed back into the continuous programmes for improvement. And the last section really for our sector is the business plan for the local safeguarding board is currently being written, and the board are asking for more stakeholder engagement from our sector. And we're going to have a small 5 minutes at our next Children and Young People's Network meeting, which is on the 24th of February at 10 o'clock at the Barton Hill settlement. And the more agencies that can contribute to the areas for business planning, the better coordination we're going to have moving forward into next year. So if people are able to, that would be great to see you at that network meeting, but if not, then Asma will put something out via email to make sure that every agency is able to contribute to that. Okay, thank you.